What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a client-side scripting language supported by browser. Usually, JavaScript functions are involved when a client does an action. For example, submitting a form, hovering the mouse, scrolling, etc. Web pages are more lively, dynamic with interactive due to the presence of JS code. To include JavaScript code on a page, the syntax is script type equal to text slash JavaScript. All the code script, close script. To create separate file, use extension.js and include the file on the page as script src equal to my js file.js script close. Comments: single line, multiple line. There are two types of comment. This is a single line comment. This is a multiple line comment when you have to write a lot of things. Variables, values that hold data to perform calculation or other operations. Var, most widely used, can be accessed within the functions where declared, can be resigned. Constant value, example, I cannot be resigned. Let can be used only within the block it's declared, can be reassigned. Data type can be different type. Number, example, var id equal to 20. Unsigned variable, example, var x. String, example, var company, hackr, hacker. Boolean, example, var window open equal to true. Constants, example, const. Counter equal to 1. Operation, example, var sum equal to 20 plus 20. Objects, example, var student equal to name, joy, subject, maths. Objects contain single objects of various data types, example, var students, name, joy, subject, maths, roll number 24. Arrays, arrays group similar kind of data together, example, var subject list, math, science, history, computer. Arrays can perform the following functions. Functions description: concat concatenate different arrays into one. Join all the elements of one array as a string. Index of, return the index first position of an element in the array. Last index of, return the last position of an element in the array. Sort, alphabetic sort of array elements. Reverse, sort elements in descending order. Values, primitive value of the element specified. Slice, cut a portion of one array and put it in a new array. Splice, add element to an array in a specific manner and position. Unshift, add new element to the array in the beginning. Shift, remove first element of the array. Pop, remove the last element of the array. Push, add new element to the array as the last one. ToString, prints the string value of the element of the array. Operators, basic, addition, plus, subtraction, minus, multiply, star, divide, slash, remainder, percentage, increment, plus plus, decrement, minus minus, execute, brackets first. Logic, and, or not, comparison, equal to, equal value, and type, equal, not equal, not equal value or type, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Ternary operation, bytewise, and, or, not, XOR, left shift, right shift, 0, file right shift. Function, a group of tasks can be performed in a single function. Example, function add a b code. Outputting the data. Outputting the data, alert, show some output in a small pop-up window. Alert box, document.write, write output to the HTML document. Console.log, mainly used to debugging, write output on the browser console. Prompt for user input using dialog box. Confirm, open dialog with yes, no, and return true, false based on user click. Global function, encode URI, encodes a URI into UTF-8. var URI, hacker.io blog, var enc, encode URI, encode URI component, encoding for URI component. Var URI equal to hacker.io blog, var encomp equal to encode URI component URI. Decode URI, decodes a uniform resources identifier URI created by encode URI or similar. Var DEC equal to decode URI enc. Decode URI component, decode a URI component. Var decomp equal to decode URI component and encomp percent int parses the input, return an integer. Var a equal to int 2003 Monday. Float parses the input and return a floating point number. Var b parses float 23.333. Evaluates JavaScript code represented as a string. Var x equal to eval 2 into 2. Return number converted from its initial value var y equal to new date, var z equal to number y, is NaN, determines whether the value is NaN or NOT, is NaN 25, is finite, determines whether the past value is a finite number, is finite, 2 minus 245 loops. 4. Looping in JavaScript var I for I equal to 0, I equal to less than 5, I plus plus, while execute a block of code while some condition is true, while conduct dot length 5 some code, do while similar to while but executes at least as a condition is applied after the code is executed, do code while condition, break and exit the cycle based on some conditions. If I 10 break, continue next interaction if some conditions are met, if j 10 continue. If else statement, if else lets you set various conditions. If condition 1 execute this code, else if condition 2 execute new code, else execute if no other condition is true. String method meaning example, length determines length of string, var a equal to hacker.io a.length. Index of find position of the first occurrence of a character or text in the string, var a equal to hacker.io is nice website, var b equal to a.index of a nice last index of return last occurrence of text in a string, var a equal to hacker.io in nice website, var b equal to a.index of nice. 6. Searches and returns position of a specified value in string, var a equal to hacker.io is a nice website, var b equal to a.search nice. Slice extracts and returns part of a string as another new string, var a equal to hacker.io is nice website, var b equal to a.slice. 13 will return nice website. Substring return part of the string from start index to end index specified, cannot take negative value unlike slice. Var a hacker.io is nice website, var b a dot substring 07 sub star str return the sliced out portion of a string, the second parameter being the length of the final string. Var a equal to hacker.io is a nice website, var b equal to a dot subtract 13 replaces a particular value with another, var a equal to hacker.io is a nice website, var b equal to a dot replace nice good. To uppercase changes all characters into uppercase, var a hacker.io is a nice website, var b equal to a dot to uppercase A. To lowercase, change all characters into lowercase. Var a hacker.io is nice website. Var b equal to a dot tolo lowercase a concat join two or more string together into another string. Var a equal to my name is. Var b John. Var c a cancot colon b charet finds character at a specified position. Var a hacker.io a dot char81 will return a char code at return of unicode of character at the specified position. Hacker dot char code at 0 will return 72. Split, convert a string into array based on special character. Var a hacker.io var a dot split will return an array of characters h, a, c, k, r and so on. Accessing characters using brackets. Access a character string using its index doesn't work on some version of IE. Var a equal to hacker.io a2 will return c. Escape characters. Single quote, double quote, single backslash, backspace, form feed, new line, horizontal tab, vertical tab, carriage return. Regular expression can be in the form of pattern modified meta characters, quantifiers and brackets. Pattern modify e, evaluate replacement I, case insensitive matching g, global matching, find all matches m, multiple line matching s, treat string as a single line x, allow comments and white space in the pattern u, ungreedy pattern, brackets abc, find any of the characters between the brackets abc, find any characters which are not in the brackets. 0 to 9 used to find any digital form 0 to 9 a to z, find any character where uppercase a to lowercase z a b c, find any of the alternatives separated with meta characters dot find a single character except newly or line terminator, word character, non-word character, a digit, a non-digit character, white space character, non-white space character, find a match at the beginning end of word, a match not at the beginning end of the word, null character, a new line character, form fit character, carriage return character, tab character, vertical tab character, the character specified by an octal number xxx, xdd character specified by the hexadecimal number dd, triple x, the Unicode character specified by a hexadecimal number XXXX. Quantifiers n plus matches string that contains at least one n star, any string containing 0 or more occurrences of n question mark, a string that has no or one occurrence of n bracket s curly bracket x, string that contain a sequence of x n s n x comma y, string that contain a sequence of x to y n s n curly x matches string that has sequence of at least x n s n dollar, any string with an at and the end of it, n string with an at the beginning of it, question mark equal to n, any string that is followed by the string n question mark, n string that is not followed by the string n. Number properties. Max value, the maximum numeric value that can be represented in JavaScript. Mean value, smallest positive numeric value possible in JavaScript. NaN, not a number. Negative infinity, a negative infinity value. Positive infinity value. Number method meaning examples. To exponential meaning return the string with a number around to end, written in exponential form, var a equal to 3.1417, a dot 2 exponential 2 will give 3.14 e plus 0. To fixed, return the string of a number with specific number of decimals, var a equal to 3.1417 semicolon, a dot 2 fixed 2 semicolon will return 3.14. To precision, return string to the precision of specified decimal, var a equal to 3.46, a dot 2 precision 2 return 3.5. Value of converts number object to primitive type, var x equal to 23, x dot values of math operation e equal number ln2, the natural logarithm with base 2, ln10 natural logarithm with base 10, log 2e base 2 logarithm of e log 10e base 10 logarithm of e, pi the number pi 3.14, square 1 2 square root of 1 oblique 2 square 2 square root of 2. Math methods, all angle values are in radian. abs x, return the absolute positive value of x. Across x, the arccosine of x, asine x, arcsine of x, atan x, the arctangenate rectangle of x numeric attan to yx or rectangle of the quotient of its arguments, sin x the sine of x, cos x the cosine of x, tan x the tangent of an angle, x value of ex, CIELX value of x rounded up to its nearest integer, floor x the value of x rounded down to its nearest integer, long x the natural logarithm base e of x, max x y z, and return the number with the highest value, mean x y z, and same for the number with the lowest value, POW xy x to the power of y, round x the value of x rounded to its nearest integer, squared x square root of x, random, return a random number between 0 and 1. Date, create a new date object with current date and time, date 2019 10 21 12 24 58 13, create a custom date object format YYY, MMDD, HH, mean, SMS, except for year and month all parameters are optional. Date, date 2019 10 21, date declaration as string, get the date of the month as number 131, get day, the weekday as a number 06, get full year as a 4-digit number YYYY, get hours 0 to 23, get mile seconds, get the mile seconds 0 to 999, get minutes, get the minutes 0 to 59, get month get month as a number 0 to 11, get seconds, get the seconds 0 to 59, get time, get the mile second since January 1 1917, get UTC, date, the date of the month in the specified date according to universal time, also available for day, month, full year, hours, minutes, etc. Pers is a string representation of a date and return the number. Set date, set the day as a number 1 to 31, set full year, set the year, optionally month and day, set hours, set the hours 0 to 23, set mile seconds 0 to 999, set minutes 0 to 59, set months, set the month 0 to 11, set seconds, sets the seconds 0 to 59, set time, set the time, mile seconds since January 1 to 1970, set UTC, date, set the day of the month for the specified date according to universal time, also available for day, month, full year, hours, minutes, etc. DOM mode, document object model, is the code of page structure. HTML elements called as nodes can be easily manipulated using JavaScript. Node property attributes return all attributes registered to an element's base URI, provide the absolute base URL of the HTML elements. Node name, the name of the node. Node type, type of the node value, sets or gets value of a node. Parent node parent node of an element. Child nodes, all child nodes of an element. First child node of an element. Last child node of an element. Owner document, top level document object for its current node. Previous sibling node immediately preceding the current one. Next sibling and next node in the same node tree level. Text content, set or return the textual content of a node and its descendants. Node methods, clone node, clone an HTML element. Compare the document position of two elements. Is default namespace return true if the specified namespace URI is the default. Lookup namespace URI, return the namespace URI associated with the given node. Get features, return an object which implements the APIs of the specified features. Is supported, return true if a specified features is supported on the element. Has attributes, return true returns true if an element has any attributes. Insert a new child node before a specified existing child node. Is equal node, check if two elements are equal. Is same node, check if two elements are the same node. Has child nodes, return true if the elements has any child nodes. Lookup prefix, return the DOM string containing the prefix for a given namespace URI. If present, normalize, join the adjacent text nodes and remove empty text nodes in an element. Remove child, remove a child node from an element. Replace child, replaces a child node in an element. Append child, add a new child node to an element as the last child node. Element methods, get attributes, return the specified attributes value of an element node. Get attributes ns, return a string value of the attributes with the specified namespace and name. Get attributes node, get the specified attribute nodes. Get attributes node ns, return the node for the attribute with the given namespace and name. Get elements by tag name, provide a collection of all child elements within the specified tag name. Get elements by tag name ns, return HTML elements with particular tag name with the given namespace. Has attributes, return true if an element has any attributes, otherwise false. Has attributes ns, provide a true false value indicating whether the current elements in a given namespace has the specified attribute. Set attributes set or changes the specified attributes to the specified value. Set attributes ns add a new attributes or changes the value of an existing attributes with the given namespace. And name set attributes node set the modifies the specified attributes node. Set attributes nodes ns add a new namespace attributes node to an elements. Remove attributes remove a specified attributes from an elements. Remove attributes ns removes the returns the specified attributes node within a certain namespace. Remove attributes node remove and returns the specified attributes node. Brochure actions window properties closed. Check if window has been closed. Default status set or gets the default text in the window status bar. Self a current window. Topmost brochure window. Parent window of the current window. Document return the window document object. Frames return all iframes element in current window. History object for the window. Inherent height the inner height of window content area. Inner width the inner width of content area. Length number of iframe elements in window. Location object for the window. Name sets or gets the window name. Navigator return the navigator objects for the window. Opener reference to the window that create the window. Outer height of window include toolbars, scroll bars. Outer width of a window including toolbar, scroll bar. Page x offset number of pixels that current document has been scrolled horizontally. Page y offset number of pixels the current document has been scrolled vertically. Screen return the screen object for the window. Screen left the horizontal coordinate of the window. Screen top the vertical coordinate of the window. Screen x same function as screen left for same brochures. Screen y same functions as screen top for the same brochure. Status set or get the text in the status bar of a window. Method alert display an alert box with the message and an OK button. Blur removes focus from the current window. Clear timeout timer set with set timeout. Clear interval clear timer set with a set interval. Close the current window. Open new brochure window. Stop window from loading. Confirm display a dialog box with a message and an OK and cancel button. Focus set focus to the current window. Move a window relative to its current position. Move a window to a specified position. Print the content of the current window. Prompt: display a dialog box that prompt the visitor for input. Resize the window by specified number of pixels. Resize the window to a specified width and height. Scrolls the documents by a specified number of pixels. Scroll the document to specified coordinates. Set interval calls functions or evaluates an expression at specified intervals. Set timeouts calls a function or evaluates an expression after a specified interval. Screen properties: Avel height. Returns the height of a screen including the window taskbar. Avel width return the width of the screen including Windows taskbar. Color depth return the bit depth of a color plate for displaying images. Height the total height of the screen. Pixel depth the color resolution of the screen in bits per pixel. Width the total width of the screen. User event mouse on click. Event that happens when user click on an element on mouse over. When the mouse is moved over some element or its children. On mouse out. User move the mouse pointer out of an element or one of its children. On mouse up. When user releases a mouse button while over an element. On mouse down. On mouse down. When user presses a mouse button over an element. On mouse in. On mouse enter. Pointer move onto an element. On mouse leave. On mouse leave. Pointer move out of an element. On mouse move. Pointer is moving when it is over an element. On context menu. On context menu. User right click an element to a upper context menu. On DB click. DBL click the user double click on the element. Keyboard on key down. When the user is pressing a key down. On key press the moment the user start pressing a key. On key up the user release a key frame. On abort the loading of a media is aborted. On before unload. On before load. Unload. On before unload. Event that occur event that occur before a document is be uploaded. On unload. Event occur when a page has unloaded. On error. When the error occur while loading an external file. On has change, there has been change to the anchor part of a URL on on load. When an object has loaded on page hide, the user navigates away from a web page on page so the user navigates to a web page on resize. The document view is resized. Scroll, an elements scrolled is being scrolled. Form, on blur, when an element lose focus. On change, when content of a form element like input, select and text area changes. On focus, an elements get focus. On focus in, when element is about to get focus. On focus out, on focus out, when element is about to lose focus. On input, user input on an element. On invalid, an element is invalid. On reset or form reset. On search, the user writes something in the input type search. On select, the user select some text input and text area. Submit, even that happens upon submitting the form. Drag, on drag, an element is dragged. On drop, a dragged element is dropped on the drop target. Under, on drag start, on drag start, user starts to drag an element. On drag and, the user has finished dragging the element. On drag enter, enter, on drag enter, the dragged element enters a drop target. On drag leave, drag element leaves the drop target. On drag over, on drag over, the dragged element is on top of the drop target. Clipboard, on cut, even that happens when user cuts content of an element. On copy, event that happens when users copy content of an element. On past, event that happens when user passed content of an element. Media, on abort, media loading is aborted. On one, on ended, on abort, media loading is aborted. On ended, the media ended. On error, happens when an error occurs while loading an external files. On can play, on can play, the browser can start playing a media. On can play through, The brochure can play through media without stopping. On duration, change in the duration of the media. Unloaded data, unloaded data, media data loaded, unloaded metadata. Example: dimension, duration are loaded. On load start, the brochure start looking of a specified media. On push, media is pushed either by the user or automatically. On play, the media starts to play or is on longer pushed. On playing, media is playing after being pushed or stopped for buffering. On progress, the brochure is in process of downloading the media. On change, on rate change, the playing speed of media changes. On seeked, user is finished moving, skipping to a new position in the media. On seeking, the user start moving, skipping. On stalled, the browser is trying to load the media but it is unavailable. On waiting, media pushed but expected to resume like in buffering. On suspend, the brochure is initially not loading media. On time update, the playing position has changed like in case of fast forward. On volume change, media volume has increased or reduced. Animation starts, CSS animation started, animation and CSS animation ended. Animation iteration. CSS animation plays over other. Transitioned event triggered when a CSS transition has completed. On message, a message is received through the event sources. On online, the browser starts to work online. On offline, the browser starts to work offline. On toggle, the user opens or close details elements. On pop state, when the window history changes. On show, a menu elements is shown as a context menu. On storage, a web storage area is updated. On wheel, mouse wheel rolls up or down over an element. On touch start, a finger is placed on a touch screen. On touch and user finger is removed from touch screen. On touch cancel, screen touch is interrupted. On touch move, user finger is dragged across the screen. Errors, try block of code to execute in case of no errors. Catch block of code to execute in case of an error. Throw, create custom error messages rather than standard JavaScript errors. Finally, block that is always executed whether there is an is error in execution or not. Error values, each error has a name and message property that define it. Name sets or gets the error name, message set or gets error in an understandable string format. Eval error occurred in the eval functions. Range error, number out of range. Reference error, illegal reference occurred. Syntax error, syntax error. Type error. URI error, encode URI error. Conclusion. This cheat sheet has all the functions of JavaScript. We have provided examples and descriptions where necessary. Most functions are self-explanatory. However, feel free to contact and let us know if you have any doubt or questions. Happy scripting. Thank you very much for watching this video.